On today's video, we're doing ghost pepper ribs. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. Because on today's video, we're going to be doing ghost pepper ribs, aka spicy ribs. And I got to be honest with you, these are one of my favorite ribs. If you like a little bit of heat, you're going to absolutely love these ribs. Wes has never had them. Matt and I was the last ones to make them, and we ate the whole freaking rack. They're super simple, super easy. We're just going to pull the membranes off, hit them with a little dirty bird, cook them on the can. The new can we're going to be giving away, link down in the description. When we pull them off, we're going to hit them with a little bit of ghost pepper, slice them up, and then boom, nail them with a little blue cheese. Oh, these are so good. And if you like ranch, you do ranch, we like blue cheese, so that's what we're going to do. So let's just jump right into it. Just hook it under that second bone, slide my thumb in there, grab a paper towel, and pull. Done. I'm going to trim this little guy off the end. Now this flat back here, you can take it off, leave it on. I take mine off. It has a membrane on the back side that is not really good to chew on. A lot of people will save them, make barbecue spaghetti or whatever you want. All right, so we're just going to rub them with a little bit of Dirty Bird. Nothing crazy. That's it. Let the rub sweat for a second. Get them on the can. By the way, we are running that brand new can that we are going to give away. A little tip for you guys. So I like to put organic, all natural kitty litter in the bottom of that can. The reason why is all that grease drips down in there. So when you want to clean it, all you got to do is dump it upside down. It all falls out. You get to start again. We're going to be laying these down to cook them. We're not going to be hanging them. They're probably going to take about 2.5 hours. The weather's the humidity's kind of up right now. It may rain, may or may not, we don't know. But it won't take very long. We're going to be running about 275, 300, somewhere in there. You good with that?
Cool.
All right. So let's get these on the cooker, get the heat. Alright everybody, that took a little bit longer than what we expected. You can't tell, but we had a rain shower, which, Just kind of drug it along a little bit, but these smell freaking amazing. And I'm telling you right now, this is a recipe you're gonna want to try at home. This is one of my favorite ribs. Woo! So let's just get them sliced up. Then we'll get them dusted up. I wish you guys were here, man. I got a lot of extra. And honestly, this is a rib that Matt and I did a long time ago that we just absolutely fell in love with. So hey, leave me a comment down below. Do you guys like your rib spicy? Let's get a little of this. Now, you can do whatever you want. This one we're gonna do ghost pepper. You can do 7 pepper, lemon dust, or buffalo, or whatever. But the thought behind this is like, you know, this is the wing of pork ribs. Make sure you don't breed any of that. And then just give them a dust. Whew, these smell awesome. This is the part that I probably lose a lot of people, but I'm telling you right now, trust me on this one, you're gonna like it. The thing about these that I love the most is you can taste the pork rib, you can taste the rub, and then you get a little shot of that ghost pepper, but then the blue cheese just cools it right down. This is really, really good. Well, hey, I want to thank you guys for watching, and hey, as always, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!